Okay, so one of the more peculiar gaming headphones that I've used in recent times is definitely the Eksa AirJoy Pro. It's an interesting one not because of the really fantastic packaging or the way the headphones actually fit, but because these are actually designed to be lightweight gaming headsets that actually do all the functions. Like you can use this with your PC, with your Mac, and you can even use this with your consoles like your PS4 or your Xbox One S or Xbox One X. That's fantastic. Now, since this was designed to be lightweight headphones that actually stand alone, the way they were able to achieve this was by putting a USB-C port on these headphones as opposed to a 3.5mm audio jack. That in turn allowed them to include a USB-C to 3.5mm cable for people who want to use this with like their Xbox controllers, as well as a regular USB to USB-C that you can then use with like your PS4 and your PCs and stuff like that. And did I mention you actually get 7.1 surround sound gaming experience with these headphones, even though they're really small. But I'm actually getting ahead of myself here. Let's actually talk about what you get when it comes to the physical bits and functionalities with these gaming headphones. Like I said before, they are lightweight. Even though they provide you like memory foam, it's really small and lightweight, and it's very easy to carry this around. The neck of the headphones actually swivel, which is fantastic, and on the left ear cup, you're going to get a mute button, basically to mute your microphone. And you're going to get like a knob, which is basically going to be the volume knob for adjusting the volume of your microphone. In front of that, you're going to get the USB-C port that basically handles the in and outs for the audio. And you're also going to get the microphone in. Basically, the microphone on these headphones are detachable, so you can actually completely remove them if you don't intend to use a microphone and put them back when you're ready to actually use a microphone. That is assuming using the mute button doesn't work for you. As far as the design and the looks go, for gaming headphones that were designed to actually be very lightweight and stealthy, this actually do a fantastic job of doing that. The only con that I have with these gaming headphones though is going to have to be the fact that maybe because they actually slimmed it down and made it such a small footprint, the audio quality is not the best. The headphones could do with a little more bass, or maybe even a lot more bass. The bass is just not there. Explosions when I'm gaming on FPS gamings, when I'm playing Mortal Kombat and there's like slams and Goro is doing his up and down moves, I am not feeling it like I do with most other gaming headphones that I've tested on this channel. Ultimately though, for lightweight gaming headphones like this, the Eksa AirJoy Pro actually looks really nice. It's really lightweight. It feels decent. Sound quality wise, it's okay. I'll probably give it a 5 over 10 in that department. This is a microphone test of the Eksa AirJoy Pro. This is what this microphone is going to sound like when you're playing against your friends over Twitch or streaming directly, and this is pretty much the sound quality you can expect from this detachable microphone. Beyond that though, the headphones are fairly durable. They actually will or feel like something that will stand the test of time. And that is pretty much all I have to say about the Eksa AirJoy Pro. They look great, they sound decent, and they're definitely worth your $32. Thank you so much for watching, and I guess I will see you on another video that was shot by Kagan. Peace.